How to verify your age on Google account. 2026 Guide. Need to verify your age on your Google account? This is usually required to access age-restricted content or to keep your account active. Follow these steps. Step 1. Open Google Account Settings. Open any browser. Go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in to your Google account. Step 2. Go to Personal Info. Click Personal Info. Scroll to the Birthday section. Check if your date of birth is correct. Update it if needed. Step 3. Start age verification. If Google asks for verification, you'll see a Verify Your Age option. Tap Verify. Google may ask for one of the following: a government ID, a credit or debit card, small temporary charge for verification. Step 4. Complete verification. Upload the required document or enter your card details. Follow the on-screen instructions. Verification usually completes within a short time. Important tips. Use accurate information to avoid account restrictions. Google deletes verification documents after the process, according to their policy. If verification fails, try again with a clear image or correct details. Quick summary: Google account, personal info, birthday, verify age, upload ID or card. That's it. Your age will be verified and restricted features should work normally.